Hey loves, it is your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. What's up, y'all? What it do? So your girl got another affordable headband wig review for y'all, and of course no other than Amazon is where I copped this chica. Okay, you heard me. So I'm gonna give y'all the tea, so sit right there, don't y'all go nowhere. Before we move forward, I would love to give y'all opportunity to join the fam. It is free, babies. It's free sugar, so please por favor, join the fam. Your girl would love to have you in my life. Without further ado, let's hop on into this. I will share the deets on the screen for y'all so y'all can see the deets, and then always check below in the description box. All of the purchase links and all that stuff, all that jazz will be right on down in the description box for y'all. So yeah, my voice is a little raspy, y'all. I'm feeling fine. I had my second what is it called, Pfizer shot about a week ago, yeah. So y'all, that laid me on my butt, okay? Like, I thought the first one was a hot mess. I was battling fever. You know, I do have a compromised immune system, so my body did not like it. No me gusta. So anyway, let's get into the deets on this wig. This wig is from a store on Amazon. It's called Aokia store. Aokia. And this is sis right here. This is what she looked like. Yeah, pretty much the same on me. What you see is what you get. Sis only cost me $15.99, okay? Under $20. Yes, we are here for saving some coins. Woot woot. So yeah, y'all, if you are into headband wigs, and not only headband wigs, if you're into more of the natural styles, I do rock a natural TWA. My hair is natural, it's just cut short. And I love the 60s, the 70s. I love that era. I was not born yet, but I love the hairstyles, okay? The Afro puffs and the Afros. However, sometimes I miss having my big hair, y'all, because I had a lot of natural hair, and sometimes I'd be thinking about trying to grow it back. I had some treatments, some like chemotherapeutic treatments, and they were supposedly not supposed to thin the hair out, but they did exactly what it said it wasn't gonna do. And so I just got tired of like the shedding and all that stuff, and I just kept chopping it off ever since, and I just be in love with it short. So if you are like me, you rock a TWA but you want some hair, one day or another, pop you some hair on, boo. Okay, you heard me? Yeah, that's all you gotta do, okay? Buy you some hair. So yeah, because although like she is gorgeous, when I tell you she took every bit of 5 minutes to put on, y'all. So the headband comes attached. There are no combs, but you can get you some little pins like this right here, some bobby pins, and just, you know, pop them on in. I feel like with the little strap, she has the little strap and you pull it, and you know, you just pull it, the little plastic piece, and it's like the little kind of like a rubber band around the thing, around the perimeter of the wig, so around the hairline. So when you pull that, it's like a drawstring effect, and it does tighten around your head for security. I feel like she's secure enough. It's not a super windy day here in Vegas. We just got a lot of smoke going on from the fires in Cali, but other than that, y'all, we good. Oh, on my lips, real fast, this is Chocolate from my store, lovelyangel.shop.com. So please be sure to check it out, because we love our angel nieces. But yeah, y'all, Chocolate tastes, she's sweetened now, and she looks like chocolate pudding to me, but very pretty on the lips. So Yeah, this the Afro Headband Wig is pretty straightforward. Like I said, she's under $20. She is synthetic, obviously. But the texture did a great job, but I did fluff her out and then I had to shape her by patting her. It's like if you have ever had natural hair, or if you do have natural hair and you are African American, Afro Latina, African, you know, your hair probably can get really, you probably can fluff it out, shape it up, and so forth. So it depends on the texture of your hair. My natural hair is not quite as kinky as this. I would love that though. But it is curly, so that's why I just rock it short, because it's a lot to deal with. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. But yeah, sugars, these earrings came from Shein. They are humongous, but glam. I like them. And so did this necklace. It's got like plastic here, and it's got like an iridescent look, the iridescent effect, but it has gold link chain on here too. So it's like gold all the way in the back, and then some gold mixed with clear here. And yeah, it's like holographic, you know. See, like if I change to different angles, it looks like purple, pink, but it's just clear. But yeah, y'all, so this is this chica. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Holla at your girl. Would you rock an Afro headband wig like this? You know, y'all, I could be bold, but it's my job to be the guinea pig. I, you know, spend my coins. Sometimes I work with companies. Y'all know I do paid collabs as well. This one I did purchase with my own coins. I bought sis. But I do this for y'all. I'm like the guinea pig, okay? So I test out these wigs. I test out makeup, cosmetic products, all this stuff for y'all, so y'all can save your coins. You know, it kind of helps you make choices. So that's what I'm here for.
Feeling something special for you, and now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming, and I'm saying too much couldn't be enough. But I'll be waiting for the moment to take me to you. Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Perfection in the way that you move. Boy, you got it. Devotion's getting stronger with all that you do. But I'll be waiting for the moment to take me to you. Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Oh yeah.
But your girl appreciate y'all watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful, as well as follow your girl on social media. I cannot talk today. But yeah, y'all, she's really cute. Like, she's perfect for everyday wear. So, you know, we made it do what it do. It is what it is. Quick, fast, easy, and we are ready to go and be on our way. So hey, but your girl LAL loves y'all. Do something positive for somebody. Y'all, please stay well, be smart, use your brains. You know, if you are supposed to be wearing your mask, wear your mask. Not if, I mean, you should still be. I'm vaccinated, but I'm definitely wearing my mask because it's still spreading like crazy. Lots of deaths still. It's been sad, y'all. But we still alive, we making it, we living. Oh, these lashes, y'all, these are Mimi lashes. I had two sisters. My sister that I did the video about, she was murdered. Her name was Tamika, but her nickname was Mimi, and my sister Kamisha. Hey Mimi girl, if you're watching, Kamisha is Mimi too. So both of them, I have two sisters that were nicknamed Mimi, and so these are Mimi lashes. Okay, they are fabulous, honey. Of course, Mimi is fabulous. But yeah, I like a little drama, so I went for her today. But y'all, check out my store as well, lovelyangel.shop.com. Follow me on TikTok and everything. I'll be putting up little mini tutorials, little cute videos. I do demos and stuff that I sell, as well as I do TikToks for wigs and stuff as well. Beauty, makeup, all that good stuff. So check your girl out. But I appreciate your love and support, mis amores. Your girl loves you so much, and I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And yeah, alright, y'all. Later.